Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve this very interesting trigonometric problem. We are given root 3 cosec 20 degree minus secant 20 degree. We can write root 3 as sin 60 degree divided by cos 60 degree, and when we solve this we get root 3 times cosec 20 degree as 1 over sin 20 degree minus secant 20 degree as 1 over cos 20 degree. As we know, cosec theta is equal to 1 over sin theta and sec theta is equal to 1 over cos theta. So the above expression we have sin 60 degree over cos 60 degree times sin 20 degree minus cos 20 degree. Now let's take the LCM. We get cos 20 degree times sin 20 degree times cos 60 degree in the denominator, and in the numerator we get sin 60 degree cos 20 degree minus sin 20 degree cos 60 degree. Also, we know sin A cos B minus sin B cos A equals to sin A minus B. So our expression will become sin 60 degree minus 20 degree over cos 20 degree sin 20 degree cos 60 degree. Now multiply numerator and denominator by 2. We get 2 times sin 40 degree over 2 times cos 20 degree sin 20 degree cos 60 degree. So this will become 2 sin 40 degree over sin 40 degree times cos 60 degree. As we know, 2 sin A times cos A equals to sin 2A. Therefore, we get 2 sin 40 degree over sin 40 degree times cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Sin 40 to sin 40 cancel out and we get 4. Thank you for watching this video.